Discover the wonders of the majestic peace lily. This graceful plant holds more significance than its mere beauty. It's a symbol of tranquility and serenity. Peace lilies can be found in several varieties, such as the petite yet eye-catching Walisi, the towering sensation, and the domino with its variegated leaves. Every variety possesses its own charm, yet they share similar care requirements. Allow us to explore further on how we can nurture this elegant plant. First and foremost, illumination. Peace lilies thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, so position them near a north or west-facing window. However, take caution. Excessive direct sunlight may lead to leaf scorch. A sheer curtain can mitigate the light if you suspect the spot is too bright. When it comes to watering, restraint is key. Wait until the top inch of soil is dry, then douse it thoroughly. Yet, peace lilies don't respond well to chlorine, hence it's recommended to let tap water sit overnight before usage. These plants favor a soil that drains well, one that is rich in organic matter but doesn't hold water for an extended period. Humidity is vital for these tropical charmers. A quick daily spray will suffice. Also, enrich them with a balanced liquid fertilizer bi-weekly during the growing period. A vital tip: peace lilies should be repotted every 1 or 2 years. Choose a pot that's only marginally larger than the previous one. Use a soil mix that drains well, and handle the roots with utmost care. After repotting, water thoroughly and place the plant in a low-light area for a few days to recover. Common errors include overwatering, which cause the leaves to turn yellow. If you observe this, cut back on watering. Also, peace lilies are susceptible to cold drafts and dry air, so avoid placing them near air conditioners and heaters. If the leaves start to brown, it could be due to low humidity. Boost the humidity by spraying the plant or placing it on a tray with water and pebbles. Any secret advice for peace lily care to share? Let's enhance our gardening skills together, one peace lily at a time. In conclusion, peace lilies require bright, indirect light, consistent watering, high humidity, and occasional nourishment. They're a tad sensitive, but with the right care, they can flourish. If you have any queries or tips, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant care content. Happy gardening!